All right, boys and girls. So we got our next package today. Now this is the one I've been waiting for a couple weeks for. I bought a stand for the modules already and everything. I'm kind of nervous because that box took a hit. Dude, it looked like somebody dropped it hard. So I opened it. No damage, I don't think. These are Bitdsk N8s, like mini Bitaxes, basically. Now let's get the knife. Crack one open. I got a knife around here somewhere. Right there. You ever do that where you like lose a tool and you just can't find it? That's about how I am. So now I wasn't expecting stands with these because they were supposed to be just the deal, but apparently they decided to send me a stand. It says PTC Solo on there. So this is a Bitdsk N8. A little fan. Open back there. I bought these. I got a steal on them. I'll talk about that later on a different video, but yeah, so there it is. It's USB-C powered. 15 watt, 3 amp. I wasn't supposed to get bricks either, but apparently I got bricks and cables. Now I was told that I might end up with a Brazil plug just because it was kind of a Black Friday special deal, so let's just check. No, that's an American Type A plug. Okay, well, maybe they're all Type A. But anyways, just wanted to show you that. Kind of a cool little 3D printed stand, it feels like. Pretty neat, though. I mean, we'll see how these rock, dude. I got 10 of them to fit on my Avoid desktop rack. Avoid started making these right about the time that Brandon Coin reached out to him about it. That's who I purchased these through the Jelly Bay. More info on that a little bit later on. But yeah, that's what we got. We got a whole box of these things, man. 10 of them. See, all those. Just loads of them. But they'll fit. All will fit on that rack, and all plugs. But man, that box is beat up. Bottom caved in, sides hurt. I'm glad nothing's broken, but yeah, it's just all the power adapters. That's gonna be fun, like a spaghetti mess. But yeah, anyways, that's it. So apparently these are 200 gigahash, but they're 15 watt, 3 amp, pretty low power. And you know me, I love the low power devices. That's what I'm here for. I'll probably pool mine with these, to be honest. Just throw them all on Raptorium and see what happens, see what they hash at, and get some thermals and stuff like that. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching again. That is the Bitdsk, and it's Bitdsk N8 mini miner. Yeah, anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe. Peace out.